Now we'll see. Yes. Now I gave you a worksheet, numbers up to 999, and we are just going to see the answers now. Answers. Already it's in your classwork. You take your own time because you were just sitting in class continuously 2 periods, 30 minutes each. But you just please listen carefully, be attentive. Number one, already it's written, so easy for you to write the answers alone. Those who have written the answer, just check and put a small tick. Those who haven't written, write with me. This is a checking of all the answers. We are just checking whether it's right. Now, letter A, it's written, and you got 201, 202, and you know the next numbers. Just see. It is 203, 204, 205, 206. No problem, no problem. You can write slowly. Write the missing numbers. 1 minute. Just wait 1 minute.
Mom, wait,
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
mom.
Just,
This is
yes,
right, ma'am. This is right.
just you have the material, you have the numbers with you. Just fill in the missing numbers. Just fill in the missing numbers. Just wait a minute. Just see to this now. Mm. Only the first row of numbers you have written. Okay, first row of numbers. Now see the second number. Second one. Wait.
please wait, ma'am.
இங்க வா. என்ன தம்பி குட் மார்னிங் இல்ல ராக கவனிக்கிறேன். குட் மார்னிங் எங்க வந்தாரா? நாடி செஞ்சாரு. இதுக்கெல்லாம் காரணம் நீ சீக்கிரம் இருந்தீங்கன்னா 9 மணிக்கு படுக்கிற. நீங்க லேட்டா படுக்கிற. எப்படி அவங்க பேச நம்ம கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது.
தம்பி
Pantera.
No problem.
Ma'am can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am can't hear
Ma'am
you.
can't hear you. Ma'am, I cannot see what you're presenting. Say louder. Ma'am, I cannot see what you're presenting. Say thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Say. Thank you, ma'am.
okay now.
Ma'am, can you go to the lighting watch, ma'am? Ma'am, you shouldn't straight, ma'am.
Right, 134. 134. Now check your answers. Check your answers. I'm not telling the spelling because already it's written. 134. ONE 100 HUNDRED 34. Now next. Children, I will ask you questions in between like how I asked for EVS. So you have to answer at the end of the class. So don't ask anything now. Now see the next one. 390. 390. Check your answer. 390. NINETY. THREE. HUNDRED. NINETY. You have to leave space in between. Slowly, neatly, you have to write 390. Next, 500. 500. 134. 390. 500. Check slowly all the answers, then only we'll go to the next exercise. 134. Check the spelling. After 30, don't forget to put a hyphen. I just forgot. 134. After 30, one small hyphen, then 4. 390. Now 500. We'll go to the next exercise. Write the numeral, that means the number. You just have a check. First one, 501. Hope you'd have written all these number names in your classwork note so that it will be easy for you to write the answer. 501. Hundreds place. 500. 500. Tens place nothing. 501. See here. 501. Next, 330. 330. Just say 3. 330. Yes. Two 214. 14. Now check all the answers, children. Now you have completed the worksheet. Yes or no? Now we have today's work. What you have to do in your classwork note in a new page. We'll just see that now. Just check all the answers. Yes, 1 minute. Check all these answers. Now 1 minute. You have one more Roman number. Just check now. Expanded form was given in your worksheet. I thought only 3 Roman numbers, but you have expanded form. Sorry. You have expanded form. Yes. Yes. Roman number 3 is completed. You can go back to the recording and take. Who's that telling I did not write? Because It was given on Friday. Children, don't disturb, please. You can go back to the recording and you can write it down if it's not done. I sent the worksheet already. Now, started all started talking to me. Fine, okay. Now, Roman number 4, expanded form. I'll give you work after this. Expanded form. Just check all these answers. Now, let's see how you get answers for this. All the three questions over here. The first one, see, 400. You have to write the first number, then 400. Next, you take 1. Tens place 1. Only 1 0. That is 10. Ones place nothing. 400 plus 10 plus 0. Children, you don't try to write all the questions now if you have not written, because it will take time. You can go back to the recording and do it. Now you just see this. 400 plus 10 plus 0. Only those who have this material in your classwork note complete your work. Others have to complete it before the next maths class. Okay. Now, second one. You have 600 in hundreds place, 9 tens, 5 ones. Check. 600 plus 90 plus 5. 600 plus 90 plus 5. Now, I'm not going fast because you have to only enter. Already you must have written these answers. So just check whether it's right. When you come to school, we will check all the work done by you. Now, 211. 211. Now, you have 200s in hundreds place. 110, 1, 1. 200 plus 10 plus 1. Now you have completed this. 200 plus 10 plus 1. In the end, I'm just going to ask you a question from the given work here, expanded form. In the end. Yes, in the end, you can answer me. Expanded form for 695. In the end, yes. Okay, Indian is not present. It's I can see in the end.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Indian. Yes, Indian, you are there. Tell me the answer for only Indian must answer, even from his home. Only 695. Tell me the answer, Indian.
695.
Plus 6 plus 90 plus 5. Somebody else is screaming behind. I don't know. 600
No, ma'am.
plus, yes, 90 plus 5. You have to say, you tell me the first one. 400 form, you tell me. Like 400 plus, you just tell, try first one. 410. Just tell in expanded form. Yes. Try 400
4.
plus, tell, try 400 plus 10. Don't get scared in the end. You can answer 400 plus 10 plus 0. Don't get scared, okay? You can answer. Now we'll go to the next one. write the, sorry, write the number. Just check now here. Please check. Turn off your microphone, please. Inian, turn. Yes, thank you. Yes, now write the number. Write the number. Already this exercise is there. Now 100 plus 10 plus 5. 100 plus 10 plus 5. You will get hundreds place 1, tens place 110, ones place 5. 115. Just add 100 plus 10 plus 5. 115. Yes. Now 200 plus, this is expanded form. So you are writing the number for the same. 200 plus 20 plus 2. Check. 222. 222. Now you have 500. 500s in hundreds place. 5 in tens place. Nothing in ones place. 550. Check all these answers and put a tick mark. Check all these answers and put a tick mark. Now, I want Getsia Joyce. Please answer. Very good. Only Getsia. Yes. Now, Getsia, tell me the numeral or number for the first one. 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 5.
115.
You must not tell 115. Just repeat after me. 115. What you said is correct, but if you're writing, it's okay. But when you say, you must tell 115. Please repeat.
115.
15. Very good. Now, I want Nathaniel. Jeff Nathaniel. Jeff, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, I want you to tell me the numeral for the second question, expanded form. Yes.
222.
222. Very good. Now, marks will be given in my book here. I have a subject mark register. I will enter the mark. Don't worry. Everybody will get chance. Now, next one. I want Juan Sri. Juan Sri. Yes, Juan Sri. Yes, yes. Last one. Third it is 500 plus 50 plus 0. Tell me the numeral for that.
550.
Tell once again, please.
550.
No, must not say like that. 550. It's correct, but you have to say how you write it. 550. Good, 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 Juan Sri. Yes, yes. Now, see now here, you don't worry about anything. I will show you today's classwork because we were answering the worksheet. We didn't have time to write. So I will send this today. You can write these answers in a new page today. Writing today's date. See, only little work. Actually, I wanted to take this first, but I wanted you to answer the worksheet. Okay, don't worry about it. Don't write it now. This will come to you. So you just see what are the things given. Write the numbers in words. You have to copy in your classwork. Not now. You can do it in the evening or whenever you're free. Not now. In a new page, like how I send the worksheet. I want to know whether you're able to do. Now see here. See here, this is number name. Okay. This is the way you have to write. Now see now second one. See, write the numerals or numbers. Okay, this is the question. And see, you have to write the answers. Now 1 minute. Missing numbers. So you have to write this missing numbers, answers. Okay. Now don't worry. I will remove all these answers now. No, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute now. You have the same things. Write the numbers in words and Roman number 2, Roman number 3. Only three questions. You have to write these questions in your classwork and try to complete the work. This is actually today's
Ma'am,
classwork,
how much
but I think
classes
now you
more,
can
ma'am?
write it. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, how much
Tell me.
classes are there?
It's not clear. Ask me once again.
Ma'am,
One
how
at a
much
time.
classes
Yes.
are there more?
How many classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. Now we are finishing a maths class now today. This one I will send it to you. You have to write it in your classwork note. Only three questions each. I just want you to know because we were just answering the worksheet today. So no work for you in class. You are just taking the answers, some of you. So you have to write this in your classwork note. Clear? Many times we have written, write the numbers in words, write the numeral and missing numbers. Now you see, okay? Okay, is it clear to you children? Yes,
Ma'am, now
yes.
write this.
Any doubt? Yes, you have. Yes, you have
Ma'am, how should
to
you
write these questions.
addition
Roman
subtraction?
number 1. No, see, somebody is going on asking me about addition, subtraction,
Ma'am,
multiplication. We are not coming to that
ma'am,
now.
me.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah, who's
Shashwata.
that me?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me. Who's that? Tell me the name. I'm not going to scold you. Somebody asked for addition, subtraction. You're so inquisitive to learn now.
Shashwata, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, okay. Don't. Now listen. You have to write. Now listen carefully, everybody. In your maths notebook, write Roman number 1. See, today's classwork is given heading. Roman number 1, Roman number 2. It moved all the answers. Roman number 3. You have to write neatly, leaving one square. First page, you can do Roman number 1 and 2. Or first page, Roman number 1. Then the new page, Roman number 2. And next page, Roman number 3. You can complete all the work. Okay? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute. Yes. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Thank you.
Now, I want to remove all the answers. This will come to you, okay, children? This will, I'll remove. Now, you know what you have to do, okay? Now, you have completed today's class. Now, what I want you to do is, if you find any difficulty in writing, you can tell me. I will tell you how to go about, okay, about it. You don't worry about, some children are very slow in writing. So you can just tell me if you find any difficulty in writing, because parents should not write for them. You have to write slowly, then you will know how to write fast later. What exercise I'm giving you in maths, you can do it. And you have lot of time in between. You have to go through all the lessons taken, like in EVS, in maths, in English, go through all the lessons. And if you find difficulty in learning spellings, write it down in your home study, because you are keeping the home study simply. You write it down in your home study and learn the spellings, no problem. Okay, hope will come and meet you in school soon. You just pray, everything should be all right. When you have, when we have face to face conversation, it will be better. Okay, children, don't worry about anything. Don't worry that ma'am is going fast, ma'am will scold and all. Nothing. You can be slow in writing, but you have to complete the work every day. Otherwise, you won't. Tell your parents not to write for you. Okay? Only one more day, parents can help you. July 1st onwards, you have to write everything by yourself, even the questions, answers, all that, because you'll have more work to be done. Okay, children? Thank you so much. You can leave the classroom. Any doubt before the class, you can ask me, and after the class.
Thank
But
you,
also,
ma'am.
yeah,
Thank you,
my
ma'am.
welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.